Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to Windows Fixer YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show you how to play Android games on your PC without using any emulator. That's right, you can enjoy your favorite mobile games right now on your desktop or laptop with Google Play Games for PC. Let's get started. So right now you can see on desktop I'm using Google Play Games and it's a mobile game, Clash of Clans. A lot of people know about this, but anyways, let's move on the Google Play Games, how you can download it. First of all, just open any browser and search for Google Play Games for PC. I will provide the link in the description so it will be easier to navigate for you. Now click on the download beta and download it. Once download is finished, just click on open. While downloading, might be there's a lot of issues you are facing. I will provide the link in the description where you can just solve your issues. Now choose the destination and click on install. It's around 776 MB. Just wait here. Now once you download finish, it will install automatically, and after installing, simply you sign in with your Google account, browse and download your favorite Android games. Now here you need to click on the sign in with Google. Anyways, I have done sign in info. I'm just skipping that part. Now simply I'm launching it, and I will show you how you can just how the interface look like, and you can download the games. Few games are not available yet, but might be they will be available soon. Right now you can download Clash of Clans, Free Fire, and there's a lot of others. I don't know actually much about mobile games, but you can download. But the game like the most popular is PUBG Mobile. You cannot still play on this Google Play Games, but it will be available soon. Anyways, just search for games that you want, download it. Once the game is downloaded, click on it to play. Enjoy seamlessly gaming with keyboard and mouse support. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notification for our latest videos. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.